Hi friend. Now we are going test the Zyphero-RTX vibe coding tool. It is fully local and safe IDE. Now we are going to download and install in the Zyphero-RTX into the system. Now select where you want to select the Zyphero.x file wants to download. After selecting, click Save button, then wait up to it download. From here you can see it is downloading. Wait for few minutes while download. You may have a cup of tea or play a song. Now you can see here it is downloaded. Now we want to install, as you can see in the downloads page, and confirm it after it. Close the browser. Now open the File Explorer and go to the Downloads folder. There we can see the Zyphero-RTX.x file. Double click in it. Then it will open the pop-up to access to install. After clicking the Yes button, then we get a pop-up button to install the Zyphero-RTX. Now click the Next button. After it, click the Install button. Now wait up to install the Zyphero-RTX or chat with your girlfriend. Friend also important. Now get back to the work. Now it is asking the pop-up to restart. Click the Finish button and restart the system. For the setup, the path to the system variable. After restarting the system, search for the Ollama for login and fetch the iModel for free. Now we need to sign up, therefore click the Sign Up button and after it, click the Connect button and log in with your account. Now close the web browser and click the Settings page. Now click on the Toggle button of Expose Ollama to the network and set the context length to 256K. It is good for vibe coding. Click back to home page. Now select Minimax M3 Cloud iModel. It is free iModel. To pull the model in Zyphero, we first send a hi message to the model KNW. You can see the response of the model. It means model is free and working, and you can also pull the iModels from the Zyphero also. Now we will pull the iModel from the Zyphero. Now search Zyphero in search bar and open it. Now you can see the beautiful opening page and click the approval button to fetch the iModels from the Ollama to the Zyphero. Now you can see in the terminal that all the iModels is fetching correct. If you use Ollama previously, then it will fetch the all iModel instantly. If not, then I have a plan. Now you can see all the iModels fetched from the Ollama to Zyphero in iModel selection, drag and use. If you did not find any iModel fetch from the Ollama, then keep the Ollama and the Zyphero windows side by side and follow my instruction. Now click in the terminal and do as it is what I gonna do. Do as it is what I do. Enter Ollama pool model name. What model do you want fetch as your wish? OK. You can see in the terminal that iModel is pulling from Ollama server to Ollama. Now run as it is with same model which you have pulled the iModel before. Run the command Ollama run model name. Now you can see in the terminal it is running. Now you want to enter Ctrl+D to exit the terminal loop. Same like this, if you want any model to pull or run, then do as it. Same like first model. OK. After set up the iModel, close the Zyphero-RTX and reopen the Zyphero-RTX vibe coding tool. Now select any free iModel. Now you want to select any folder because for the project location. If you don't set the folder location, then it will not respond anything. It is fully structured pipeline. Kindly select the folder or new folder or create folder. I have copy-paste the prompt. Now select the iModel. Use huge parameters iModel for good response. OK. It is good for the vibe coding. Now tap the human in loop button to God mode. Click enter and wait for few seconds or minutes or you may see the reels. After completing it will open the web page automatically. If not, then ask it to open the web page. You can see here a beautiful web page. Now close the web browser. Get back to Zyphero. Now click the settings gear icon. In it you see the Zyphero gems. It works same as Google Gems and BYOK, and you can enter your own API keys. Now click the attach button to active the gems and run it. Now you get a pop-up to execute plan because it is set to human in loop. If we set it to God mode, then it will automatically activate the agentic mode and it will debug, test and run all the things. Boom. Now you get the web page. Enjoy.